Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport carrying bar. Just want to go through this car here. I stripped down yesterday. Just want to show you I had a problem with this one here. This one here just snapped right off. And the biggest problem I had is because this pipe here is behind it. That pipe there is behind the actual housing. I'll show you what I mean. This housing here. So that hole there, all right, goes through there all the way there. And when I took the bolt off yesterday, it was so rusted. There was so much rust on it. I didn't know it's gonna break. So that thing broke in half. I wish it broke up there higher, so that way I can just take it. I can just drop it a little bit down and then move it forward. But because it broke right there, the problem I had is because that pipe there, let's do it again. That pipe there goes like that. See, like that. Alright, that pipe there goes behind there, and that thing there goes all the way up, and that part there goes in there. It's hard because, so it's sort of like that. Alright. And then that pipe goes up to there, that hole there. So it's just hard to see there. So basically that part, that bolt there goes all the way in there, holds this housing up, and then this part here goes behind there. But because this bolt was broken, I had no choice but to actually was broken up. But that thing was like that. So that bolt broke off, so I had no choice but to try to pry this down all the way down to here so it clears the housing before I pull it out. And I had no choice. And when I do that, that pipe there it's connected inside there, and it's slightly, if you can see, it bent because of that. So what I can do is trying to figure out where we're gonna go from now, and some of the O-rings like this ones here, I gotta get new O-rings from Porsche. This one there, because they don't show up on the actual diagram that you actually try to do the job, and it's very hard when you do a big job like this to actually properly see the O-rings until you get to that stage of the job, and then you can take pictures and send to Porsche, and Porsche will know where to go from there. Alright, so I need two of those, possibly a new pipe, but maybe I can make it work by putting it in and then try to take this out and put that pipe in and then move the housing up, and then that pipe will just go up and sit in the proper way. But not sure at the moment. I'm just trying to figure it out. Anyway, from there, this is leaking as well, starting to leak. That's the tensioner for the drive belt. And there's another one that I'm really hard to know. So this is so hard to take off as well. This part here, and then that part there, you can't tell until you take it out. So once I remove this, there's another O-ring that sits behind it. I can't see it, and there's another O-ring that sits behind this one. So that one there, two O-rings here. So I need those two, and I'm not sure how they designed it, but Porsche put the water pump there, and then this part there is pressed into the actual engine from this side here, and it's held on by the water pump and 3 E12s, those big ones, 1, 2, there's one more somewhere, E12 holding it in, and the water pump, it's only got a small gasket from the other side. So you can't really sort of tell until you pull everything apart, and then you know. So I think I've got these two here, like I saw down the diagram. But I need that one and that one, those two there, and then those two there. I've got this one. I've got most of the parts. One of those jobs that it's just things happen like this. It's just the rust was killing me. That's the problem. So rust is the killer. So I don't want to muck around. I just want to, I have to get a new pipe. Small little pipe from there, it goes inside. So I have to actually put the engine on, put the engine support on, and then put the engine up, and I'll remove this pipe here and then replace that one day. It's just because of that, and I had no choice but to try to move this down, because that pipe is connected to the back of this, and that was like that, and that, because it's broken, I can't drop it down because the pipe's holding it from the back. So I had to go down, drop it down a little bit, and then move this out, and then move that out to get that pipe off. But anyway, I need to get back to Porsche ASAP to see what happened. I'll start doing the other stuff I'm waiting on, and I'll take that pipe off and see if I can straighten it up on the bench, and then put it back and see, hopefully it will work. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.